In front of me is OPPO Reno15 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this device. Start by opening Play Store and downloading free app called DevCheck Device and System Info from Flarto Developer. Not sponsored, by the way. When your app is ready, launch it, and thanks to it, read all the information about your device's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and sensors. If you want to, you can always click on any of those sections and not only read all the information but also hit settings at the bottom right corner to get transfer into this section in your device's settings instantly. You can also do that by hitting on gear icons at the top right corners. For example, here to get transferred into operating system section. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!